Hey everyone, Brian from workshopaddict.com, and if you follow us on social media, you've seen that we are doing a secondary shop to have a little bit closer to home. Now this shop is in its final stages of getting complete. We're going to be putting up drywall soon, but we've been struggling with lighting. Now back a while, we did a little story on some inexpensive lighting upgrades where you could basically have a socket expander put in 3 bulbs, 5 bulbs, 7 bulbs, whatever you wanted, as long as they were LED, into one bulb socket. Now this is a 32 by 30 shop, and normally they would put 4 light bulbs in here, which I think is kind of a joke. So in this situation, we have 12 sockets. We thought first about putting in some LED, normal 4-foot bulbs like a T8. Then we struggled back and forth because of cost. That was going to run us almost $900 to put in the 12 lights in here. It would have been a lot of light, don't get me wrong, but that's a lot more than what we probably need to spend for a good amount of lighting here. This little tree from Home Depot, well, first you have to buy this tree from Amazon, then these lights from Home Depot are about $1.15 a piece. So for about maybe $9 to $10, we can put in these trees and have 12 of them, 120 bucks-ish. Now, I also checked out some LED lights from a local vendor. These are some Sansi LEDs, and you can get them on Amazon. You can get 2 bulbs for 49 bucks. And then they run different deals. If you buy this, you get 15% off. If you buy this, you get different amounts off. So these bulbs are you can get them in 5K or 3K. They are 3,500 lumens. They're a 250 watt equivalent 27 watt light bulb. Basically, you have a similar size to a light bulb, a little bit heavier. They call them ceramic, but the outside is plastic. Basically, you have a nice bright light bulb here. The downside to it, as far as what we're using it for, is when you look up at the ceiling, they're incredibly bright. And second, when you turn them on, there is a slight delay, which we found with multiple of these style LED bulbs. So what we're going to do here is put them in, try them out, and we're going to come back with another story on that. But right now, I want to just kind of compare these, give you an idea of the differences between the two. But what it really comes down to in a setting like this is, in some ways, looks. Do we want to have a tree of lights hanging up on the ceiling, which does make it drop 8 inches down, or do we just want to have a single bulb? And when you look at that, there is a significant difference in size of them and a little bit in looks. So if you're building the shop, thinking about changing your lighting, these are easy and they look good. The trees are more inexpensive. This is going to come to right around 18, 19 bucks a bulb compared to 10 bucks a bulb. Tough choice, but I think we're going to try this, see how it goes. Again, we'll come back, let you know. If you guys have any other options, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys are doing. Again, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We always appreciate your comments there. Have a good day.